add this to your coffee if you want to fight wrinkles and help your skin to look much healthier and firmer. Hey guys, collagen is excellent to add to your coffee or any hot beverage if you want to use it in your body to help fight inflammation, improve your skin, wrinkles, anti-aging, your gut, and your muscle health. First of all, collagen is from bone broth. It is by extracting the collagen that's within the bones of either chicken or beef ligaments or bones, and it is fantastic. Remember, your body is made up of 90% collagen peptides and protein and amino acids, which strengthen your skeleton, your bone structure, and your overall skin and gut health. So in a cup, you're going to add your espresso, you add a teaspoon of your collagen powder, your hydrolyzed collagen, and you're going to add hot water, and there you go. Mix it all together. Drink this at least once a day in the morning, or you can even add it to other hot beverages like teas, soups, and stews, or even add it to your smoothie. But if you're looking for a coffee recipe that fights wrinkles, this is it. It'll make your skin firmer, give you a better glow, more structure to your skin, help your gut health. And remember, there's studies that show your gut health is linked to your skin health. Your hair, you will get stronger hair, better looking hair that just shines and is strengthened from within. So guys, give it a shot. This is a coffee recipe that fights wrinkles.